Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to factory reset OnePlus Nord CE5, wipe all data and restore it to defaults. So here follow the steps. Open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, tap on backup and reset, tap on reset phone. Now here tap on erase all data. Please note that this reset option will delete everything on your phone and restore it to defaults. Your data from your phone such as photos, videos, contacts, call history, everything will be deleted. So I would recommend you to first backup important data and then perform this action. So finally tap on erase all data and if asked then enter password and confirm it. Once the factory reset process gets complete, your device will get restored to its default settings. So by this way, you can factory reset your OnePlus Nord CE5 phone. That's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.